Okay then guys, welcome back to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we talk about messages and how you can go ahead and just send a audio message through your iPhone messages. So what you can do is just to go ahead and just open up the messages like this, and let me just get to like a random chat. It doesn't even matter what it is. It doesn't matter if it's a group chat or not, but in iOS 17, when you just go ahead and type in the chat next to the text field, there is the plus icon, which you're supposed to click on. So if you click on that, it gives you multiple different options, and you can actually scroll through them to find like whatever you want. And these are the apps for iMessage, as you are familiar with those. Now, one of those things is audio, but you perhaps don't see it because you can of course just grab it and move it around. Perhaps you put it somewhere else and whatnot, so you don't have to have it in this exact same position. But make sure to find the audio. By the way, this is just the first option. The second one I will show you later on in just a second. But basically just click on the audio, and now I have already started to record the message. So you can see the wavelengths and like the audio lines and whatnot. So yeah, once you're done, just click on a stop. You can replay it if you want, or click on a send, and now it is going to be sent. So this is very easy. This is the one where you can easily just click on, play it, and it's going to be like very easily shown to you. And you can see that there's like a show more thing, and it tells you that one of the audio, it basically tells or like just transcripts the text from the audio, so it's very useful. And you can choose to keep it or make it removed, because if you don't click the keep button right here, it will like disappear from the chat altogether. So this is how it works in iOS. You have to keep. The other person is going to know that you actually clicked on the keep button, and that's how it works. By the way, now since you have used this feature before, you can also see it on the right, that on the right next to the text field, you now have the recording button to send audio messages. So you can now just start recording and the same thing happens. So yeah, this is how it is, because before it was just not there. Before there was just the blue arrow to send the message. So that's how it works. But this was naturally the first reason how, or like the first way how you can go ahead and do it. The second one is very similar, but you just use like a voice memos app specifically for it. You just start a video recording, but then you just click on that, click on one specific one, and you just share it using the messages. And you can also just do it very simply, but it's going to look a little bit different. It's going to be like an actual file pasted in the chat, so it's not going to have the functionality of like disappearing and stuff like that. But yeah, it works regardless. You can click on it, you can play it, but it's a little bit different. There is no live transcription or anything like that, but these are the ways how you can go ahead and send audio message on your iPhone. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the Foxtecc YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out until then.